If you want to know how to look more attractive at work and school, then please watch this video. Hi everybody, I'm Anita and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is something different, but as we are back in fall, we are back in university, back on work, wherever we are, but we are more like on the business wave of the things now. And therefore, I really wanted to do a video about how to dress classy or how to attract more people when you are going to work and university. You know, if you're just going on the streets, you can wear whatever, but do work and university, school, wherever, you know, not everything is so appropriate to wear, right? So this video is exactly about that, because at some places you just can't wear everything, but you still want to look good, you still want to feel good, and you still want to look appropriate and look classy, look attractive also. That's really important. Oh, by the way, every clothing item I have here is from Pretty Little Thing, and that's also one of my points, is that if you want to look classy, you don't have to go all out and spend thousands of dollars on an outfit. You could do that if you can, and of course that will look nice, but you don't have to. There are other ways as well. So for example, I got all my outfits from Pretty Little Thing, which is really affordable site. So I'm gonna show you. So the first thing that you could wear is a blazer dress, and oh my god, I can't stress this enough how much I love blazer dresses. They are so classy, they look so like business vibe. I am actually wearing one right now, and you can go anywhere with them. But let's say after work you want to go grab a drink somewhere, go out with your girlfriends, whatever you want to do, then it's okay to do that also. You won't feel like you need to change because they look so nice, and also they're feminine. And the one I'm wearing right now is like a black, this is like a really basic, I would say, blazer dress. If you think of a blazer dress, that's probably what you would think of. But you don't have to be basic. For example, here I have this white one, and that is actually a blazer dress, but it's more like bodycon. It has some different details to it. It's like a different cut from the top. Still has the buttons and pockets, fake pockets, and long sleeves and everything. It looks classy, but it is a little bit something different, right? And blazer dresses you can wear with heels, you can wear with flats. But also, if it gets a little bit chillier, then I think a really gorgeous option are thigh-high boots. Like, they look classy, they are a little bit sexy, I would say. And by the way, all the links to everything is down in the description box. I just wish I remembered to say that at the beginning of every video, but no, I always forget. So all the links are down in the description. If you like anything, you can find it there. So I also wanted to make a little disclaimer that in no way I want you to stay in a box, and you don't have to follow any kind of rules. But just from my experience, these are the clothes that have worked a little bit better. So if you don't feel so comfortable maybe in a blazer dress, then the next option would be a staple jacket or a blazer. I chose, for example, this really bright pink one. I mean, whoever you will pass with this one on, they will notice you, that's for sure. So that's a really good piece for attraction, for sure. And this will also allow you to put whatever underneath. Well, I would recommend to put something that's more like black, white, beige, something more neutral if you're wearing like a bright color like this. But, you know, it can be trousers, it can be a skirt. Maybe it's too hot, maybe you don't want to close it. Then what I would recommend is something a little like that. So as your shoulders, arms, everything is already covered, then this one will give a little nice touch. It's like a sateen material, it's glowing, it gives a little bit even more attention. And it's kind of in the same color scheme, but not so bright as the jacket. It will still look so nice together, but like not over the top that it will look weird. So sateen blouses like that, I would always keep in my wardrobe because they're easy to match and they look classy. And usually even more expensive than they are. Like, how much do you think I paid for that? Well, now you know that I bought it from Pretty Little Thing, so it can't be much, but still, I think it was less than 10 euros. Now the third option, I think, is the most classy one that I have here. Most business vibes. I think I never even went to school with that kind of outfit, but for work I would definitely wear that. So what I'm talking about is like a real suit, like the same matching pants and the suit. There are so many different options from the bands as well. I chose the ones that are a little bit cut from the ankle, but you can definitely go full length, go flare, straight cut, whatever cut you really desire, because that's the way to really play with it. And color wise, I just love that color. It's so fall time, like especially for that season right now. Wow, that's perfect. And by the way, they had so many other colors as well. And again, with this kind of outfit, you don't have to think much at all because it's already put together. It's pants, jacket, and what you put underneath is really up to you. And what's good about this suit is that you can literally even wear it with sneakers. And sneakers are not usually considered as so beautiful thing, but wearing this kind of suit with sneakers, why the heck not? It would still look so stylish and so matched together. So until now, all of these things have been like pretty much business attire, but the next one is pretty different. So it is this kind of sateen, really gorgeous dress. It is a little bit longer, and that's my tip. A long dress. That's what makes it really classy, is that it's a longer dress. So if the same material at the same cut would be like in a mini dress version, then you know, it wouldn't do the same thing. This dress will definitely make your body look really good. And also, I don't feel like you always have to look so much like in a box, like oh my god, so business vibes. This one definitely is not business vibes, but let's say it's a little bit hotter day, you wear this dress, or it's a little bit colder, you wear it with a blazer on, it will look so nice, honestly. And last but not least is wearing a combo. Well, I don't actually know how they are really called, but when a top and the pants are matching. Please let me know in the comments, I really don't know what is it called. So this one also, it can be like really sexy or out there looking, or it can be more conservative as well. So for example, these pants, they are long, they're high-waisted, they cover a lot, but the top is a little bit more on the sexy side. And I think that's really what my style is. I want to be classy, but at the same time a little bit sexy. I never want to be like, I can't say never say never, but right now at least I feel like I'm still young, I still like being a little bit out there, but at the same time classy. I don't want to be tacky. Now that outfit I would probably wear with heels, but of course it's up to you. I'm quite short, so that's why usually the pants are just a little bit too long on me, and I personally think heels look better with this kind of combo. So these are all of the outfits that I would recommend you to wear to work or business meetings or school, university this fall. I think they're super stylish and they definitely won't do you wrong, but they still add this little bit stylishness and classiness and a little bit sexiness as well. And of course, people will see that. If you want to see me more, then definitely go follow me on my Instagram at Anita Sibul. I post a lot about there, also about travel, which I don't really post about here on my YouTube channel, but you are welcome to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. It's easy, it's free, but I really appreciate it. And all my fashion tips and tricks, plus beauty tips and tricks, you can find right here. So if you have any other ideas what you would wear for this fall, please let me know down in the comments, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye bye!